Good morning, students. Today I will teach to you exercise 11.2 of a question. First is given that using the law of exponent, simplify and write the answer in exponential form. Okay. Now this question saying that these questions you simplify using a law of exponent. So in a previous class, I have explained very clearly law of exponent. I think you are already understand it. And here, what you see here base are same, but powers are exponent are different. So here use a first law where base are same but powers are different, and this law what are saying its exponent you add m plus n, a to the power m into a to the power n, it becomes a to the power n plus n. Okay, so now this law you apply here. So here only two values are given, here three values are given. But similarly, you follow for a three numbers also. So here same base, but power are different and powers you will add it. So here 2 plus 4 plus 8. So 2 plus 4, 6, 6 and 8, it becomes 14. So now this will be 3 to the power 14. And this is just simplify and its answer is in the form of exponent. अगर ये form exponent की form में नहीं होता, then what are you doing here? 3 you multiply of 14 times. Okay. Now next questions. One more questions. He is given that second part 6 to the power 15 divided by 6 to the power 10. 6 to the power 15 divided by 6 to the power 10. This is the second part. So here also, here base are same but powers are different, and we use the division law. Okay, here a to the power m divided by a to the power n, and division law saying that we use subtracting m minus n. So this will be a to the power m minus n. So now what you can write here, 6 to power 15 upon 6 to the power 10. That means 6, 15 minus here exponent. So it becomes a, what it becomes? It becomes a 6 to the power 10 minus 15 minus 10. That means 6 to the power 5. Okay. So what is the answer here? 6 to the power 5. Okay. I think it is clear. Now students, now fifth part is one question here given 5 to the power 2 to the power 3 divided by 5 to the power 3. So now here you see that here one law are applicable, and this law saying that a to the power m to the power n, and it becomes a to the power m n. Okay, a to the power m into n. Okay, so now in here for this step only you follow these law. Okay, and what are doing here? 5 to the power 2 into 3 divided by 5 to the power 3. So 2 into 3, that means 5 to the power 6 divided by 5 to the power 3. Okay. Now again here base are same but exponent are different. Then we follow the division law, a to the power m divided by a to the power n, and it becomes a to the power m minus n. Okay, so now here what you can write, 5 to the power 6 minus 3, and 6 minus 3, that means what is this, 5, 6 minus 3, what is this, 3, 5 to the power 3. Okay, so now this is your answer in an exponential form. Now students, sixth part of this question is given that 2 to the power 5 and 5 to the power 5. Okay, now here you see that here base are different but power are same. So this type of one laws are given, and this is a to the power m into b to the power m. Here base are different but power are same. So what you can write here, a into b to the power m. Okay, a into b to the power m. That means what you can write here, 2 into 5 and base power that is similar, so you can write 1 times 5. Okay, now 2 into 5, what you can write, 10 to the power 5. So this is your answer, because you can multiply also 5 times, 10 multiplied 5 times, but your answer expected that in exponential form, so it is your answer. Okay, now next one more ninth part, and ninth part is given that ninth part is given 2 to the power 20, 2 to the power 20 divided by 2 to the power 15 multiplied by 2 to the power 3. Okay, now here you see that here division, base are same but power are different. So you apply your law of division, and you in law of division what you can do it, here you difference of your exponent. You can do a difference of your exponent, and it will be 2 to the power 3. Okay, and here you apply here a to the power m divided by b to the power m, sorry, a to the power n, then a to the power m minus n. This law you apply here, and it becomes, what is this, 2 to the power 5, 20 minus 15, it becomes 5, and 2 to the power 3. So now this will be base are same but power are different. Then you add the, okay, so now here you apply a to the power m into a to the power n. This will be m plus n. So now it becomes 2 to the power 8. This is your answer. Okay, now the students, remaining part for a homework. Okay, and जो भी पार्ट बच गए हैं उसको आप सेल्फ सॉल्व करिएगा, एंड यू कैन रिमेनिंग पार्ट फॉर अ होमवर्क ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, रिमेनिंग पार्ट यू कंप्लीट इट सेल्फ. ओके, Now students, thank you.